In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your speaker volume on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the launcher icon down in your system taskbar, and then select settings, or you can search for settings as well. And then once you have this open, select device on the left panel. On the right side underneath device, select where it says audio. And then underneath output, there should be your speaker, and underneath of that, it should have a volume bar. You can make it higher or lower depending on your preference, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.